Colihuacho.
Colihuacho. And Osvaldo caught one. There it is. And he's got a piece of long grass. Oh, good. Well, there we go.
Butthole?
Uh-oh. Grass is going up the fly's butthole. I'm sorry, fly. And he flew off with it.
Here's another one. Keep
Okay,
filming.
he's got another one. Get the long piece of grass. He's got the fly. There it is. Ouch. And he just spears him through the back end. And look. He flew off. Thank you, Osvaldo, for that bit of humor.
That's for Nat Geo.
Yeah, Nat Geo.